Hello student, welcome back to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Diksha and our chapter is Leaf, the food factory of plant. In the previous videos we have learned why it is called that leaf is a kitchen of plant and the photosynthesis process of a plant and also the part of leaf. Today we have to learn the uses and functions of leaf. First, leaves make the food for the plant through the photosynthesis process. We all know that only green leaves can make the food for the plant during the photosynthesis process. Second, leaves capture sunlight for the photosynthesis. All we know that sunlight is very compulsory for the photosynthesis process and only leaves of a plant are responsible to catch the sunlight for the process. Third, leaves help in air exchange for the plant. Okay, so we all know that green leaves or leaves contain tiny holes that is also called stomata, and stomata are responsible for the breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so when the leaves breathe in, it takes carbon dioxide. When it breathe out during the day, it gives oxygen. Next, and this oxygen is also useful for the human beings and animals to breathe in. And the fourth point is leaves help in water transport for the plant. Means when the leaves contain water, with the help of veins, it transports the water to the different parts of the plant. Next, leaves store food. So all we know, during the process of photosynthesis, leaves make the food and leaves store this food for the plant growth. Leaves shape the flowers, buds and fruits of the plant. When there's we all know there are so many leaves in a plant, so these leaves help the plants to shape its flowers, buds and fruits. Now many plant leaves are used as medicines like neem and tulsi. Means the leaves of a plant, many plant leaves are used as a medicine. We can take them as a medicine, like we have the example neem and tulsi. Leaves like cabbage and spinach are used as vegetable by us. Means some plant leaf we eat as a vegetable. Now we have learned so much about the leaves. Now let us see where the plant store food. We all know that during the photosynthesis process, leaves make the food and store. Now we will see different types of plants store in the different parts. So one by one we will see the different types of plant where they store their food. First type is mango tree. So mango tree stores its food in fruits. We all eat the mango. So basically, during the photosynthesis process, when a leaf make food, it is stored in the form of carbohydrate. Okay. So which part of a plant we eat, that means during the photosynthesis process, the food is stored in that part which we are eating from the plant. Such as mango tree. Mango tree store its food in fruits. All we know, we eat the mango fruit. Okay. Now cauliflower store its food in flowers. Okay, so this flower we eat as a vegetable. So cauliflower store its food in the flower. Now beetroot and carrot store their food in their roots. So we know that carrot and beetroot are the example of food storing roots. So the plant of carrot and beetroot store its food in their roots. Next is potato and sugarcane. So we all know potato is a stem of the plant and sugarcane is also a stem. So During the photosynthesis process, their plants store its food in their stem like potato and sugarcane. Now the pea plant. We all eat the peas. So what the part of pea we eat, that part is the seeds of that plant. We eat seeds of peas. So pea plant store its food in its seeds. Now the cabbage, and also second options we have spinach. So cabbage store its food in the leaves. So we eat the cabbage. So cabbage is not the flower of the plant, it is the leaves of that plant. So cabbage store its food in the leaves. Now the important topic is interdependence of plants and animals, means how directly or indirectly plants and animals are interdependent with each other. As if we will talk about the plants, so we know the plants make the food, and this food we eat in the form of vegetable, fruits and leaves. So plants give us food. Second, plants release the oxygen and take back carbon dioxide, and this oxygen we use to breathe in. Here we are talking about the animals, so and in the animals human beings are also included. So we will, if I am saying animals, that means we are talking about both animals and human beings. So very good. Now we have learned that food give us food, plant give us food, plus give oxygen to breathe in, and also take back carbon dioxide. If they will not take carbon dioxide, so there will increase of pollution, air pollution. So they stop the air pollution by absorbing the carbon dioxide. Okay. Now we have known that we depend on the plant. Now how plants depend on us? As first thing, whatever the waste came out from our body, it mixes in the soil, and these materials become nutrients and mineral nutrients for the plants. Second thing, plants need carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Without carbon dioxide, they can't complete the photosynthesis and they can't able to make its food. So when we breathe out, we give the plant carbon dioxide for to complete their photosynthesis process. So exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between plants and animals. So in this way, animals and plants are interdependent with each other. Okay. So today our chapter is completed. In the next video, we will meet with the next chapter. After this video, I will give you assignment. So you have to solve this assignment very carefully. Thank you.